Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll explain to you what does the term POV mean on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. POV is a term you have likely seen pop up on TikTok at some point, on caption of a video, or in comments, or even on the video itself. If you're not sure, then let me explain what it means. POV is an acronym that stands for point of view, and it's used to signify the scenario portrayed in the video is from a particular person's perspective. People often use the term to show off their acting skills, so the term will usually precede a scenario like POV, a Karen sees you with a new phone. However, POV isn't used strictly for acting challenges. Some people just like to use the term to set up a certain scenario for their video, and it can often be used ironically. You might also see it used in comment section of other videos. So there you go, that is what POV means on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.